Here I've got LG Free, and let me show you how to change keyboard dictionary on the following device. So at first you have to open the messages, then click on a new one. And now, as you can see, we are set up with English, so I will write something and then it will correct me with English words. So here you've got it. This is how it works. And then if you would like to change it, simply click on the settings icon. Then go to input language and keyboard layout. And now, as you can see, here is the white list of languages that we can use. Let me pick, for example, Spanish. And as you can see, word suggestions for the other language are available. If we would like to do it, click on yes. And now select just Espanol, not double of them, and we can switch off English. And if we will go back to the messages, you can delete this one. And now it will correct us with Spanish words. So this is how it works. As you can see, you can easily change the language of your messages, the dictionary in your device. So that's basically all. This is how you can change keyboard language in your LG G3. Obviously, you can go back to English one more time simply by selecting English, so switch off Spanish, and then go to English. Here it is. Now we can select it. Let me go back. And that's it. Now we are back in English, so you can smoothly write in English. So that's all. This is how you can use your device with changed keyboard dictionary. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.